Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your controller isn't working in Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions step by step to fix the problem. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra. Right-click it and select Properties. On the left, click on the Controller tab. Find the Override for Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra drop-down menu. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If it doesn't, go back to the same drop-down menu and choose Disable Steam Input, then test again. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on Settings in the top left corner. Go to the Controller section. Here's what to do. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If that doesn't work, try disabling it. If you use a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation controller support. Set it to Not Enabled, or try Enable for games without support. The same goes for Switch or generic controllers. Toggle the support settings to see what works best. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver for better compatibility with Xbox controllers. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad in the list. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This refreshes your controller connection and can fix recognition issues. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click on your gamepad again. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your gamepad driver. Click Next, and let Windows install it. Once it's done, restart your PC, launch Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra, and test your controller. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix the controller not working issue in Dragon Ball Gekishin Squadra on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.